Kyoho Toto Karo. Nomai Haidamai Kikewaka Tora Úplně. Welcome aboard the Wellington Cable Car. The cable car has been operating since 1902, carrying locals and visitors alike. If you look to your left as we exit the tunnel, you'll see our transition area showing cable cars past and present. The original cars, known as the system, since then, cars have completed over 1 million trips. The lights in the next two tunnels were installed in 2014. We can program them with light shows that mark festivals, charitable events, and special occasions. We're now approaching the Hudby station, passing the loop with the track splits into two. The cars have sets of double flange and flat wheels, always guiding car 1 through the south part of the loop to your left, and car 2 through the north to your right. We welcome you to visit the free cable car museum by the Wellington Terminal to find out more about a cable car and how it works, and to see 2 of the vintage cars. Soon be arriving at Waikaka Terminal with great views across the city and harbour. Close by, you'll find the free cable car museum, tabletop eatery, Victorian perfumery, entrance to the Botanic Gardens, and Space Place. The free shuttle to Zealandia leaves from the front of the terminal. Once the car has come to a stop, you'll be exiting to the left. If you have return tickets, please board the car when you're ready to go back downhill. Cars depart every 10 minutes. We hope that you've enjoyed your journey on the Wellington Cable Car. If you'd like to leave us some...
Je tam něco vidět přes to slunko?
Jo.
Tam můžete... Papoušek, kaká. Na mapě. Fotíš sebe nebo tam?
Točím. Můžeš.
scooch back a little bit so we can have a party for those that need it. Scooch back, come grab some water this way. And if you just hold it at the front, 500 will be ready soon.
We condemn ourselves by making a lie of what we eat and drink. Blessed are you, Lord.